Day 6 of building a marketing system for home service businesses. Today, we're diving into one of the most important pieces of the puzzle, optimizing your social media profiles to attract and convert the right clients. Your social media profile is often the first impression potential clients have of your business. If it doesn't immediately communicate professionalism and trust, you're losing leads before they even reach out. But don't worry, by the end of this step, your profile would be a lead magnet for your ideal clients. Here's how profile optimization works in our marketing system. Number 1, branding. Ensuring your profile picture, cover image, and bio are consistent, clear, and visually appealing. Number 2, bio optimization. Crafting a bio that communicates exactly who you help, what you do, and why they should choose you quickly and effectively. Number 3, call to action links. Adding clear and clickable links that guides visitor to the next step, whether it's calling, booking, or visiting your website. Number 4 is brand video. Add a short and compelling video introducing you and your business. It highlights what makes you unique and shows potential clients why they can trust you. This video builds connection and credibility real fast. If you want to optimize your profile alongside me, join me in this journey of creating this amazing marketing system that works for home service businesses by simply clicking the link below and joining the private group, where I'll be sharing a detailed walkthrough and provide feedback on how to create your profile that truly works for your business. Tomorrow, we're designing templates for cover photos and graphics to make sure your visuals and profile is consistent and eye-catching. Don't miss it. See you there.